do you make gathers? Do you do gathers with the presser foot, or you still go by dragging the thread on the fabric just to make your gathers? Well, anyway, in this video I'll show you how you can make gathers with your elastic thread. So I'll bring in my bobbin down, which is the shuttle. I'll roll this elastic thread on the bobbin, then insert the bobbin into my shuttle, put the shuttle back into the machine, drag the elastic thread out, then I can just sew on the edge of which I want the gathers to be. So this is me putting the elastic thread on the bobbin. Then I'll bring out the bobbin keys, put the bobbin into the bobbin keys, insert the bobbin keys back into the sewing machine. Then I can just start sewing on the edge of which I want the gathers to be on the fabric. So this is me bringing out the elastic thread from the machine. Then I'll place the fabric directly, then just keep on sewing without any stress. The elastic thread now will bring out and will bring the gathers of that we want. So as you can see the gathers are forming. The good thing about using elastic thread is that it is adjustable. You can adjust it on the bobbin keys, which is the shuttle. You can adjust it by loosening or tightening the little knot you have on the bobbin keys. The knot is located around this side. But if you are using the presser foot for gathers, you cannot adjust it. And if you are dragging the thread with your hand, you'll find out that some part of the fabric has more gathers than the other side of the some other side of the fabric. So this elastic thread will do it equally. Then you can adjust it. You can either tighten it or loose the put on your bobbin keys to reduce or to add to the gathers.